Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I'm going to discuss with you why you got to have insurance. Insurance is mandatory. Yes, it is just in case. In case something happens, you need it. But in order to protect your assets, in order to protect your business, in order to protect your property, whatever it is, whatever is important to you, you need to make sure it is insured. There are accidents that happen. They happen every single day. I see it firsthand. And if people do not have the correct coverages, they do not have the sufficient coverages, or if they do not have insurance at all, they are in a lot of trouble financially in the case that something happens. God forbid, a claim happens. Say you own a home. Let's just use a couple of examples. Say you own a home and you don't have insurance on it. You own the home outright. You don't have a mortgage on it. You haven't had a claim in 30 years. Why do you need insurance? You decide to get rid of the insurance on the home and lightning strikes. It hits your house. Your house goes on fire and it burns to the ground. Say your house is valued at $400,000. Now you're out $400,000. If you're retired, if you don't have an income, $400,000, I don't care who you are, is a huge hit to anybody to come back from. You're not only going to have to pay for the actual replacement cost of the house, but you're going to have to pay additional to get the house torn down, to mow, to plow, to remove all the debris, and then to rebuild that home if you have the financials in order to do that. So for a couple $1,000s a year, an insurance policy is more than worth it. If you're driving your vehicle, you need insurance. You need insurance to not only protect yourself, but to protect the other drivers on the road. It is not fair to anybody if you are driving without insurance. Your license will be suspended. If your license gets suspended, you're going to have to pay fines. In order to get your license back, you're going to have to get insurance. If you want to drive your car, you have to do it the right way. And it's not only to protect yourself, it's to protect the others on the road. Car accidents, huge cause of death in this country. Drivers are crazy out there. You need to make sure that you're protected. If you're driving, if you take your eyes off the road, if you're texting, if you're drunk, if you get into an accident and you injure somebody, if you hurt somebody, you kill somebody, and you don't have insurance, you're going to be paying that off for the rest of your life. Possibly you'll be doing jail time as well for driving without insurance and injuring somebody. One little backache could pay out $1 million claim if the person's no longer going to be able to work. One little fender bender where somebody breaks their wrist, I've seen it pay out $90,000 worth of insurance money because of somebody fracturing their wrist in a car accident. So insurance is extremely important. It is just in case, but I consider it mandatory. I sell insurance not because I like paying for it, not because I like people paying for it. It's because I enjoy protecting people the correct way. This agency enjoys protecting people the correct way. So through Elite Business Insurance, we're a full-service independent agency. Not only do we protect you the correct way, but we make sure that we give you the best coverage for the absolute best price out there. We're a full-service independent agency, so we have access to hundreds, thousands of markets throughout the United States, and we shop you around to always find you the best bang for the buck. Nobody likes paying for insurance, but it is mandatory. You gotta have insurance to protect yourself. If you have a business, your business should be your number one priority. If that is the money maker to your family, supporting your family, paying your mortgage, something happens to your business, something happens to one of your employees and they get hurt on the job site and you don't have correct workers' comp insurance and something happens to them, they could sue you for getting injured on the job while performing work for you. If you don't have the proper coverage, it could shut down your whole entire business. If one of your employees is working and they screw up and they injure somebody or they damage property, or you screw up and damage property or injure somebody, you need to have protection. You need to have liability coverage in order to protect your business. Otherwise, your business could be shut down. You can be in business for 20 years, and then one wrong act causes you to lose everything in your life. So insurance is mandatory. It is just in case, but in the case you need it, it will save your life. So if you want a good agency who offers 24/7 customer service, who always has your back in the case of a claim, in the case of an issue, who will always fight for you to make sure that you're paying the best price out there and you're getting the most sufficient coverages out there, then give us a chance. We will not let you down. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.